Welcome to Farm Animal Friends. Let's learn animal sounds and letters together. Good morning, friends. Today, we're visiting Farmer Sam's farm, where animals love to talk in their own special way. I'm a cow. Can you say cow? And can you moo with me? Bah. I'm a sheep. Can you say sheep? And let's bay together. I'm a duck. Can you say duck? I'm a horse. Can you say horse? I'm a hen. Can you say hen? Cluck with me. Wow, we heard moo, baa, quack, neigh, and cluck. Each animal has its own sound and word. Can you remember them all? Fantastic! You're now part of the Farm Animal Friends Club. Thanks for joining Farm Animal Friends. Keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning adventures.